Chapter 3 is all about weather patterns, and we have just finished a section called Air Masses and Fronts. Now we're moving into Section 2. Section 2 is all about storms. A storm is a violent disturbance in the atmosphere. A thunderstorm is a small storm accompanied by thunder and lightning. Thunderstorms form from large cumulonimbus clouds, also known as thunderheads. During a thunderstorm, areas of positive and negative electrical charges build up in storm clouds. Lightning is a sudden spark, or electrical discharge, between parts of a cloud, between nearby clouds, or between a cloud and the ground. A lightning bolt heats the air near it, and rapidly heated air expands suddenly and explosively. Thunder is the sound of the explosion, and because light travels faster than sound, you see lightning before you hear thunder. During thunderstorms, avoid places where lightning may strike. Also, avoid objects that can conduct electricity, such as metal objects and bodies of water. A tornado is a rapidly whirling, funnel-shaped cloud that reaches down from a storm cloud to touch Earth's surface. Tornadoes most commonly develop in thick cumulonimbus clouds, the same clouds that bring thunderstorms. Tornadoes occur most often in the Great Plains, but they can and do occur in nearly every part of the United States. If you hear a tornado warning, move to a safe area as soon as you can. The safest place to be during a tornado is in the basement of a well-built building. A hurricane is a tropical cyclone that has winds of 119 kilometers per hour or higher. A hurricane begins over warm ocean water as a low-pressure area or tropical disturbance. If the tropical disturbance grows in size and strength, it becomes a tropical storm, which may then become a hurricane. The center of a hurricane is a ring of clouds surrounding a quiet eye. The low pressure and high winds of the hurricane over the ocean raise the level of the water up to 6 meters above normal sea level. The result is a storm surge, a dome of water that sweeps across the coast where the hurricane lands. A hurricane watch is announced that hurricane conditions are possible in your area within the next 36 hours. Be prepared to evacuate or move away temporarily. A hurricane warning means that hurricane conditions are expected within 24 hours. If you hear a hurricane warning and are told to evacuate, leave the area immediately. All year round, most precipitation begins in clouds as snow. If the air is colder than 0 degrees Celsius all the way to the ground, the precipitation does not melt and it falls as snow. When a cold, dry air mass moves from central Canada, southeast across one of the Great Lakes, it picks up water vapor and heat from the lake. As soon as the air mass reaches the other side of the lake, the air rises and cools again. The water vapor condenses, and it falls as lake effect snow. If you are caught in a snowstorm, try to find shelter from the wind. Cover exposed parts of your body and try to stay dry. If you're in a car, the driver should keep the engine running only if the exhaust pipe is clear of snow. Thank you for watching the presentation. Please bring any questions that you may have about this section to class with you tomorrow.